In this video, I will show you how to delete messages in Chai AI. So to do that, head over first and then install the Chat AI or Chai platform. Head over and then install, and then after that, make sure to open it. So once you have opened it, you should be able to head over and then sign in. And then first things first, in order to delete in here an actual message, you first need to head over and then log into your actual application. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So we have in here the subscription option as well. So you can also use it free. Once you click onto this plus icon, you can head over and click onto this Create Chat AI and click on Continue. And you can head over and then talk to someone using this. So alternatively, you can also chat with those existing chats that you have right here. You can start a chat AI in order to talk to them. So let's click onto this right here, and then let's head over and then click onto the message, and then let's send them a message. So in here, as you can see, we have sent a message, and they should be able to reflect right around here into our messages. Now you can head over and then make sure to actually chat in here this in order to send the flicker to that. Now it should be able to reflect right around here, but if you want to delete it, you can just head over and click onto this delete all chats option, or you can also just swipe from right to left in order to see this delete option. Head over and click on this delete and click on this delete right here in order to successfully delete it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.